Hey everybody, I'm Joe from Joe Pro Decor, and it's just a simple demonstration video today on how to mask up the carpet. So this is when you aim to do the woodwork, when you do glossing it, putting satin on it, whatever application you're putting on your woodwork. You need a straight line to go by, so you need to protect the carpet. Now, a lot of decorators out there, they claim to be able to cut in skirting board without putting masking tape down. Now, I must say this is not the correct way to do it, guys. That is not the professional way to do it. And if you are doing it at home, the way I'm going to show you now is the best way to protect your carpet. You get fluff coming from your carpet, you get fibres coming up from your carpet that you can't necessarily see because they're that fine. You have to push them down so the bristles are able to make contact with the wood, and the bit that you're going to be painting, the bit that is visible, without you getting paint on the actual fibres of the carpet, because it's a bugger to get off. And you don't want to be having to wipe paint off the carpet if you accidentally get it on the carpet when you've already got wet woodwork, because you're going to smear it all. It just causes so many issues. So the best way to do it is to tape up. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, first of all, the materials. You just want general masking tape. It's the cheapest around, and it's just general masking tape. It comes in different widths. This is a 25mm width. You can get 50mm width. They come on rolls of 50 meters, 25 meters, and so on and so on. You can get them from general DIY stores. You can get them from decorating centres and so on. So, like I say, you don't need fancy masking tape that has edge lock, like for example frog tape and other various tapes, where when the paint comes in contact with it, it dries up, gives a straight edge, stops any bleed from underneath. Now this stuff, you can't rely on it to give a straight edge. It does bleed, but this is perfect tape for this purpose, putting it on carpet. So I'm just going to show you now. First of all, what you want to do is you want to get it nice and tight. Now, you don't want to get it like so and straight with the carpet, because then you've got no manoeuvrability pushing it down, because we want to push it down into the crevice. So what we do is we just overlap it slightly like so, and if you watch me, I'm just pushing. So keep the tape tight, and you want to push that edge down. If you follow me, we're just pushing it down into that crevice. You can run your fingers along, and as you can see, there's bounce in the carpet. So what happens is when you've pushed it down, the carpet then pushes back up against the skirting board, and it gives you a nice sort of tight edge. No paint can get down there and escape. So this is how we do it. So you just push the tape down, run your finger along. When you get to the corner, tear it off as close as you can, like so, and then we want to come back the other way, because you want to be able to get in that corner, like so, and then just tear that piece off. And then when we're going round the angle, again, nice and tight into that corner, and we do it again. And carry on, so on and so on. I don't need to go all the way around and show you, but what I do want to explain is, and this is a nice little trick what I do, it uses more masking tape, but like I say, it's the cheap stuff. When we put the dust sheets down, they tend to kick out sometimes. You don't realise, and then you come back to it later on after you've rolled the ceiling in, and there'll be paint splashes and flicks exactly where that little gap is that's been exposed due to you kicking and moving the dust sheet when you're walking on it. So a fail safe is I always double up and bring it further out. And what this does is, if the dust sheet does kick out, it's not going to kick out, or likely to kick out, any further than the masking tape. It just saves you having to keep checking as you go, you know, you're busy doing the ceiling or whatever, and it's just a fail safe. So guys, I hope this helps. It's just a simple video on how to mask up against the skirting boards. If you've got any questions on masking, fire away, please ask, because obviously there's different situations where you may need masking and different types of masking. So anyway, have a nice day everybody, take care, and I'll look forward to speaking to you on the next video. See you later guys, bye bye.